Hello and welcome to the tutorial video for OfisXpert. Here I'm going to show you how to add an item. First of all, to add an item or services, you have to go to master data. If you want to add an item, click on item. Now, previously if any items are added already, you can see it on your screen. Now top right, you will see add quantity batch, adjustment and add item. This add quantity batch is for the previous item you created. You can adjust the batch, inventory, adjustment also. Now I want to show you how to add an item. Click on add an item, your top right. Now first of all you have to come to this page where you have to key in all the details. For example, the item name. Item, let's say I put the item AAA, then a specific code, supplier code if there is one, description of the item. This is what is going to show in your invoice or quotation once you do, so please get in properly. Let's say this item AAA is considered as watch. You can select the brand. The brand and the category, it can be customized from the admin settings. First of all, very important, you have to link the account. If you go down below, there's the asset account, revenue account, cost of account, expenses. Asset account should be always the inventory. If you click down, you'll have the inventory. Click inventory. Then revenue account should be a sales revenue. The cost of account, cost of sales, expenses account, if there is one expenses, if no need. Now from here you can upload your image for the watch, and for example let me get a image on the internet. Okay, and let's see, for example it's a watch. Let me get a picture for the watch from my option. Let's see if I have a watch picture here. Yes, I do. After I select this, once it's selected, when you click save and next, it will go to the price and quantity. For example, I click save and next. Okay, now it comes to the next page. The watch picture, if you go back to details, you can see it's uploaded, the details. This is the watch, expenses account, inventory, item A, or you can change the name to watch. Okay, just update and next. Now this part you have to select your price and quantity. Okay, you can select here, but as you see there is no stock in hand. You have to click on add new quantity batch to get your stock in hand. Let's say you have previous stock. This will automatically purchase on the date. Now when I click on that, it will be asking me, you are about to manually create an item quantity batch. Quantity batches cannot be edited. Are you sure you want to continue? Once you create this quantity batch, it cannot be edited. So make sure that in mind. Click OK. Okay. Now date of purchase you can do at a back date. Let's say you have a now it comes to this screen. From the top you can see date of purchase, purchase price, quantity purchase, quantity remaining. Now if date of purchase you can put, let's say it's your previous stock. Now only you started using this software. So maybe you have purchased this stock last 2014, maybe 2014, maybe on December, maybe somewhere around 10 December. Okay, and your purchase price for this watch was about if during it and you purchased quantity was about 1000 pieces, so the quantity remaining 1000, because it will calculate, let's say if your quantity was remaining only 800, 200 you sold it last year, so it will start like that, 800. Now if I click save, you're about to save this entry. Please ensure the asset account of this item is updated according to reflect the actual value. Same batches cannot be edited. Are you sure you want to do? That means the one I selected before, the asset account for this, click OK. Okay, once you click OK, now selling price you can put per pieces, unit, you can select the unit per pieces, and you can put a selling price. Let's say your selling price is 150. Okay, so you can click update and next, it will bring. Okay, now here comes the GST part. Now if this watches you are selling is a standard rated watch, standard rated GST code, you have to select the input tax, maybe the standard rated is SR, and the input tax when you are purchasing, if there is a 6% input tax, then you have to select the input tax. Let's say until April you don't have to select any. Until April you don't select any tax code, you can just go back to the list. It shows you the item list. So the one you created is here, watch, 800 pieces and all. Now if I go to sales, quotation or invoices, let's say I go for invoices, I will select any customer by selling this or cash sales. Let's say I select this customer. Now salesperson, you can choose department wise, project wise. Now when I click add items here, it will show me the watch. Okay. Select the watch, I add items. You can see we have selected 150, so the price is there, but you can always change the amount for different person. Let's say I put the amount 12, which is the watch. Account receivable, yeah, so 1800. If you want to give, if let's say you want to still want to give the tax, you can drop down and click on SR. Okay, if not, no need at all until April. Let's keep it like that. Cash on delivery, if you in terms are like that, put a remark, just post it. And it will auto adjust the inventory, the one we created. And you can always go to the data of the items from item menu, master data, items. You can always see the data. See, I've sold 212 pieces, now 788 pieces are left. Okay, thank you for watching.